Hi everyone, we are on unit number 6, solids, liquids and gases. In this unit, we studied about the natural resources, the man-made resources. We learn about what are solids, liquids and gases. We learn the properties and we studied about changing the shape of materials, that how materials change shape. We studied about different types of rocks and their uses. Today we are going to start an exercise. So question number 1 is choose the correct answer. Which of these is a natural resource? Rocks, glass, plastic or paper? So these are the 4 things and we have to find that which one is a natural resource. So this is a rock, this is a plastic bottle, this is glass and this is paper. We make paper with wood, glass from sand, plastic is a man-made material, rock is a natural resource. So its answer is part A, rocks. Number 2 is which of these is a man-made material? Wood, water, soil or paper? Let's see these materials. These are the options and we have to choose one which is a man-made material. So this is wood. We get wood from trees. So wood is a natural material. Water, Allah has blessed us with water, so water is a natural material. Soil is also a natural material. Paper, we make paper from wood and other things, so paper is a man-made material. Its answer is part D, paper. Next one is which of the following is used for making glass? Sand, soil, metal or rocks? So this is the glass and can you guess from which material it is made? These are rocks, this is soil, this is metal and this is sand. These all are natural resources and by using sand we make this glass or any glass object. So its answer is part A, sand. Fourth one is which of these is not man-made? Plastic bag, leather belt, gold ring or rock? Let's see the options. These are 4 options and we have to choose the one which is not man-made. So this is a gold ring. We make gold rings with gold, so it's a man-made material. This is a leather belt and leather belt is made from leather. It is also a man-made material. This is a plastic bag and plastic bag is made from plastic. Plastic is already a man-made material. And this is rock. Rock is a natural material. It is not a man-made material. So its answer is part D, rock. Number 5th is which of these is an expensive precious stone? Coal, wool, ruby or chalk? This is coal, it's not a precious stone. This is wool, it's not a stone. This is ruby and chalk is not a precious stone. So ruby is one of the expensive precious stone. Its color is red and we use it in our jewelry. So we will circle part B, that is ruby. I hope now you can do this question easily. Thank you.